Welcome everyone. Here we go again, another 5 steps in. Hope you enjoyed the last video. This one appears it's going to be assembling tracks again, not doing any real big part of the structure yet. I think it actually might be another couple of days before that shows up. It's looks like this is going to be a lot of pre-assembly before the assembly. All right. All right. And just like that, well, spoke too soon. There it is. Well. Okay. Now, just like that, we're through step 6. It's probably going to be a similar deal on this one. I'd say it's pretty much the same shape, just shorter. I'm going to see how this new schedule goes, but I may actually cut back to 4 days a week instead of the 6. You know, I say I'm not making any decisions yet. I'm going to see how much of a grind it is to do all that. You know, I was already doing it on 2 channels, so I'm just going to see how things go, putting those 6 posts up a week. And, you know, if y'all get sick of watching or listening to me, I guess you could always just mute me if you don't want to hear me, but but I say I'm thinking about cutting back to like Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, or some similar schedule, just because I don't want to oversaturate things. But if I get the views and y'all continue wanting to see what I'm doing, I'll certainly keep up the best I can. Okay. And there's step 7. Easy enough. Let's see. It was actually just on the one end of this one. I'm not sure what's going on with that, but and it's actually actually a little crooked there too, so that's interesting. I mean, see where that goes. Let's see, so that goes. There it went. And all right. Whoa. Okay. What was that, 8? Not even any. Huh. Not even any tracks on this one. Okay, gotta slide it through a long way. If I'd known these were going to go this quick, I would have planned out 6 steps today. I may stop it and get me up some more. But this one looks a little more complicated, so it might take me longer. Okay. And 11 looks really bad. All right, so through, okay, the very bottom. This goes one end. This goes through the other end. Okay, then the short sides. And wow, 7 minutes. Well, that was not succeeding yet now. All right. Okay. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna cut here. Gonna make up the pieces for the next step and do that one tonight too, because it looks complicated, but I think I'm short enough now where I don't mind doing it. All right. Be right back, guys. All right, just like that, we're ready to go. Let's see, it looks like there's many pieces in this one step as there were in the previous 5. But okay, let's see. 2. Okay. Got a magnet. I don't know what inspired them to actually use screws here, but I don't think I've had this on any of the other sets I've built. I think I built a music box that had something that screwed in, but it wasn't really pieces like this. I think it was the handle or something. I can't remember, but okay. Since I'm supposed to. It's that way. They said these are tools that I'm supposed to use for assembly. I'm not sure what, but I think I just did that. Oh, I did. Turn it back up. Doesn't show them actually being used in any of these steps, but we've got them now. Oh, hang on. Ah, I see what they're doing now. They put these in here to brace it so it doesn't collapse down while you're putting pressure on the outside. Clever. Give credit where it's due. Yeah, that makes it much more rigid. Yeah. So that's why that's there. Okay. Let's see here. These go 10 on this side. Where's, yeah, 10. So, get back up there. Apply the pressure. That just slid right on. Nice. And then here. Ooh. I do not like that. Go. Okay, move back in there. It is. Okay. Ah, I see what it is. I bet. I think. Yeah. I put it on this post on the wrong side. So where'd the little baby screwdriver go? Okay, so. Okay. Goes on the little plate thing goes on the printed side. Okay. And now punch it in. And a little more on this one. All right. Now, got this little notch here sticking out, and this one is just, I think, 10 is just got a bit wider. Oh, thing back in there. Yep, that just slid. There we go. That's why it slid so easily on the other side. And this one should just pop right on. Ah, there we go. All right, and those out. Whoops. This was supposed to go somewhere. Ah. Pop bump it out just a little bit. It does. C26 goes in here. There's a, pop you back on. Okay, so it's sort of a brace in the middle of them. All right. Now we're cooking with gas. Or charcoal if that's your preference. All right. Oops. Okay, yeah, go. Okay. And reading the instructions, printed side up. This one gets the double whammy on. Got this and the silver one. Now, the 14 on this side. Get on in there. And okay, my camera cut out on me right there, so we're gonna try and do this right quick. Just yeah, and hopefully the battery don't die. All right, and that gets us through step 11, folks. So maybe next time we'll start putting all these various pieces together, because I've accumulated quite a few and they're starting to get in the way, so I'd like to get them assembled. But this is where we're at so far. Let's say we've got plenty of pieces, so let's say stay tuned and we'll hopefully assemble this into some cohesive structure and see what happens then. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share, do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another, and I'll see you next time. Bye.